Doctors Bop and Pop. The fun and learning never stops. Join Doctors Bop and Pop. While we play, we'll learn a lot.
Hey, where are we going? What you got? You got a lot of people here. Hey, what are we doing now?
Painting.
Yeah, that's right. Let's get started. Hey guys, I'm Dr. Bob, and that's Little Bob. Come on out of here, buddy. Oh, he's stuck. Gee whiz, Little Bob. You got a lot of stuff in there. Go! Woo! Take it all out. Take it out. Throw it in the air. Whoa. Whoa! Whoa. All right, Little Bob, what are we going to do now?
We just spray the paint.
We're going to spray paint. And we're going to spray paint the dolls while they're wearing what? Masks. All right, let's go through the colors. What do we got? What is this color?
Blue.
Show everyone the blue. Go show the camera. Get up there and show it to them.
Blue.
Okay, and what about this one?
That's hot pink.
Go show them hot pink. Yeah. How about this one?
This is light green.
Light green, or they call it apple green. What about this one?
That's yellow.
Yellow. Just like what fruit?
Lemonade.
Lemons. And how about?
And lemonade.
And lemonade. Let's sing our song. What's our song with the bananas? Hold up, back it up. Time to eat a banana. All right, what's next?
Red.
Oh, right, we got red. Here's red. Go show everybody. It's just like what fruit?
Apple.
That's right, you can have a red apple or a red cherry. Oh, this one's missing a cap, but what color is it?
Light green.
I think it's dark green. Dark green. All right, now that we got that set up, we got some friends over here. Look at all these dolls.
This is one.
Let's see them.
I saw me.
Yeah. He can't sit in the chair. You want to do him first? All right, we're going to do the snowman first. Okay, what are we going to do first? What color? All right, I'm going to shake it up. No, we got to be careful. Got to do it in a well-ventilated space so that the smoke or the bad smells from the spray paint don't get into your lungs. So it's really important to do it in a well-ventilated place. And with a grown-up, of course. You want to shake it? Let's do this.
Okay, let's see.
Woo! All right, I'm going to take the cap off. Here we go. I'm going to spray it. Ready? Here we go. Yes!
Spray the mask.
Oh!
Spray the mask.
I sprayed the mask. All right, we got blue done. What's the next color?
I'm green.
Light
Light green.
green? Oh, bless you. Remember to cover your mouth when you sneeze with your elbow. Right? Let me see you do it.
Achoo.
There you go. Woo! All right. He's all shaked up. You want to shake him? Woo woo. Careful. All right. Let me see it. Let's give it a spray. Woo! We sprayed him. It's kind of like PJ Masks. He's got a mask on.
What color is it? Hot pink? You're starting to sweat? Yeah, I'm starting to sweat too. Woo, it's summertime. Ready? It's a little hot. I'm gonna paint B.
Oh, I guess it doesn't really work. Oh, don't touch it. It gets on your fingers. All right, let's do yellow. Shake it up.
All right, here we go.
Yeah. Boom. Boom. It's getting all over him. On your finger. Show them what happened. It's on his finger. Silly little Bob. Last color. All right. Oh yeah, there's one more. All right, let's do this one. Ready? That's red. All right. We got one more. We got dark green. You want to shake? You want to try? Yeah, I'll help you out. Give me your finger. Move your other finger. Here we go. Ew, don't touch it. Ew. Go show everybody what happened. Okay, so I have a question, little Bop. Do you see this guy? He's covered in paint, but he has a mask on. Do you think there's paint behind the mask?
No.
There's no paint behind the mask? Why is that?
Inside.
Yeah, the mask is for protection. Okay, let's see what happens. Guys, you want to see what happens when we take the mask off? Let's show everybody. What happens when we take the mask off? Take it off. Oh, look at that! He's all clean! Look, his nose and his mouth are clean. You know why that is?
Wait, inside is not messy. Look.
Yeah, it's not messy inside.
It's messy inside.
It's messy outside. It's because the mask is for protection. And that's why we wear a mask these days outside, because of coronavirus. We don't want to get coronavirus. Do you want to get coronavirus? No. Tell everybody.
No, Corona.
No corona, please. And I know you guys don't want it out there. So you gotta wear a mask when you're outside. Should we do some more dolls? All right, let's go do some more dolls.
The goat.
Woo!
The baby goat. The baby
Oh,
goat.
we got a baby goat. Bring the baby goat. Come on. Oh, good throw. Come here. Should we dance around like we're listening to Baby Goat? Let's just do it.
Baby goat.
Now that we were done spraying, what do you guys think happened? Do you think he's safe?
I think he is.
All right, let's see. Let's take this off. Look at that, guys! Look at that! He's clean! His nose and mouth are safe because he had a mask on. Hooray!
Nice.
Look at his mask. So dirty. All right, let's do the next one.
I have another mask for you.
It's Mickey Mouse. And we're gonna put him on the paint chair. All right, let's get him all comfortable. And he needs to do something to make sure he's safe from coronavirus. What does he need to wear?
A mask?
That's right, he needs to wear a mask. Come on, Mama Bop, help me out here.
Alright.
Okay, we got a mask. We're gonna put it on. And how do we put it on him?
You have to put this thing on.
Yeah, it goes around his ears. And it covers his nose and mouth. Let's show everybody what it looks like. Look at that. He's all covered, but you gotta make sure he can see, right? So we'll cover it up so he can see. Up! All right, he looks good. He looks good, right? Now. He's clean! Right on his nose and mouth. Silly little panda. Hey, is there something on my nose? Oh, there's paint on your nose, little panda bear. Or big panda bear. How'd that paint get there? That's right, you put some paint on his nose after we took the mask off. But the mask, for the most part, protected his nose and mouth. Hooray! All right, should we do another one?
Yeah.
All right.
Let's do a tiger.
Let's do a tiger. Bring the tiger here. We can put him on the chair. do it. Good, 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 good. Bring that chair over here. Let's do the chair right there. Put this guy here.
Alright, put his mask on. You guys mask on! Take a look, take a look, take a look. Here we go.
And then how about some blue? That's pretty cool. It looks like PJ Masks. PJ Masks, wear the PJ Masks. PJ Masks, wear the PJ Masks. Because nighttime is the right time to fight crime.
I can't be the one!
PJ Masks, wear the PJ Masks. Look at this guy. All right, what happens when we take the mask off? Whoa, look at that. His nose and his mouth are clean. Hey, what are you doing, little Bob? What are you doing? What are you doing, little Bob? Oh no, little Bob. Oh no, little Bob, what'd you do? You put paint on my nose. Boop. That was so much fun. Wasn't that fun? Now remember, you gotta wear a mask when you go outside, right? Why? Because of Corona. And I don't wanna get Corona. Well, thanks for watching. Now remember, I'm Dr. Bob, and that's Little Bob. And we're part of the Doctors Bop and Pop family. If you like what you saw today, remember. If you like what you saw today, make sure to subscribe. You're silly. Can you say subscribe? Subscribe. If you like what you saw today, make sure to subscribe, like, and hit that ring bell so that you get a notification every time we have a new video out. Bye-bye.
It's Doctors Bop and Pop. The fun and learning never stops. Join Doctors Bop and Pop. While we play, we'll learn a lot. ABC, 1, 2, 3. Everyone's got a mask around me. Everyone's got a mask around me. Mama's got a mask. What's that for? She puts it on her face when she walks out the door. Daddy's got a mask, looking really silly. He wears it for protection. I'm like, oh really? It's okay, don't be afraid. Mom and Dad are behind the masquerade. It's still just Mom and Dad. ABC, 1, 2, 3. Everyone's got a mask around me. Everyone's got a mask around me. ABC, 1, 2, 3. Everyone's got a mask around me. Everyone's got a mask around me. I don't know why I can't hug my grandpa when I come and say hi.
I love you, Grandpa.
I don't know why I can't kiss my grandma when I go and say goodbye.
I love my grandma.
ABC, 1, 2, 3. Everyone's got a mask around me. Everyone's got a mask around me. ABC, 1, 2, 3. Everyone's got a mask around me. Everyone's got a mask around me. I don't know why I can't give my best friend a high five.
High five.
Sorry, little Bob. For now, we just wave.
Coronavirus is really changing our lives. Hang in there, guys. This is only temporary. ABC, 1, 2, 3. Everyone's got a mask around me. Everyone's got a mouth and nose. Make sure it's secure so a virus doesn't go inside.
Make sure it's tight.
Make sure it's tight.
Now a mask goes over mouth and nose. Make sure it's secure so a virus doesn't go inside.
So where it is.
Make sure it's tight. Oh.
ABC, 1, 2, 3. Everyone's got a mask around. Mama put a mask on me. ABC, 1, 2, 3. Everyone's got a mask around. It's beginning to feel like Halloween. ABC, 1, 2, 3. Coronavirus is why we're in quarantine.
ABC, 1, 2, 3, quarantine.
I'll play quarantine.
Hey guys, it's Doctors Bop and Pop, and we're wishing everyone good health. So remember,